Hello students, in today's session we will see fourth external program of Java. The program name is Write to Java program to implement basic queue operations. Okay, so first of all, what is a queue? A queue is an ordered collection of items where the addition of new items happens at one end, called the rear, and the removal of existing items occurred at the other end, commonly called the front. As an element enters the queue, it starts at the rear and makes its way towards the front. Queue is an abstract data structure somewhat similar to stacks. Unlike stacks, a queue is open at both its ends. One end is always used to insert data and the other is used to remove the data. Queue follows first in first out methodology. That is, the item stored first will be removed first. Then what is the use of queue? Queue is used when things don't have to be processed immediately but have to be processed in first out order. That is, queue concepts used when a resources is shared among multiple consumers. And the basic operations performed on queue are insert, delete and display. Okay. So let us see the coding. So this is the code for implementing basic queue operations. In our program, we are implementing insert, delete and display operations on queue. So let us discuss the program. Import java.io.start semicolon. This is the import statement in Java. Then class queue. We have created here the class with the name queue. Inside the class, we have declared some variables. Let's discuss. Final int max size equal to 5. We have declared here the max size variable in an integer and with the keyword final. Final defines an entity that can only be assigned once. Once the final variable has been assigned, it always contains same value. So for that we have defined the max size with the final keyword, that is equal to 5. So max size 5, it remains same throughout the program. It can't change anywhere. Then int queue equal to new int max size. We assign max size value to our queue. This is the maximum limit of queue. Int front equal to -1, rear equal to -1. These are both ends of queue. Front is used to remove the element, rear is used to insert the element. This is initially set -1 because there is no any element remains in a queue. This is initially at empty position. So to define empty queue, we use here -1, means there is no any element. Then we have here method void queue insert, which has the parameter int num. Inside the queue insert we have here if condition. Inside if condition we have written if rear is double equals to max size -1, indexing starts from 0. Okay, so in queue indexing start from 0. From the 0th position we are adding one by one element. So max size -1 means 4. 4th position is the last limit of queue. Okay, so if rear is equals to 4 means it is the last position of the queue. Then system.out.println, we are printing here the message that is queue is full. We cannot insert the new element into it. Okay, else if this condition get false, then we have here else part, that is we have here another if condition inside else, that is front is equals to -1 means front is empty, means queue is empty. Then we are we can add the element into it. Then after adding element, that is num is adding into the rare, that is from rare end, then rare size will be increased by 1, means rare will increase by +1. At the same time front is also get incremented by 1. So we are writing here. So we have written here front equal to front plus 1, and we have done with the queueInsert method. Then we have another method. The name is void queueDelete. Inside delete method, we have here one variable, that is item. It is declared in an integer type. We have a if condition, that is to check whether the queue is empty or no. So for that we have written if front is equals to -1 or front is less than rare, means initially we have set the rare -1. So if front is -1, that is front is empty, and front is less than rare, means front is less than -1, then the passage will be printing that is queue is empty. We cannot delete the element from the empty queue because there is no any element present in it. Okay. So that time front equal to rare equal to -1. It's showing us the message that is front and rare equals to -1. Means front and rare currently, it is showing the message that is currently front and rare is empty. Okay, and we cannot perform the delete operation on queue. Then we have here else part to delete the element from the queue, that is item equal to queue front. In the queue, the element is always deleted from the front end. So here whatever element we have we want to delete, that will be reach at the front end, that is front equal item equal to queue front plus 1, means that element currently now at position front plus 1, and that will be removed from the front end of the queue. And we are printing the message system.out.println deleted element is equal to, it's showing the item which to be deleted. Okay, and we have done with the void queueDelete method. Then we have another method or operation that is void queueDisplay. Inside display method we have here one variable that is I as integer. We have here if condition to check whether the queue is empty or no. Okay, if queue is empty, then we cannot display the elements from the queue, and if there are element presents, then we will display with the help of for loop. Okay, so let's discuss. If front equal to -1 or rare is less than front, means front equal to -1 indicates that front is empty, or rare is less than front means rare is also empty, then it is showing you the message that is queue is empty. We cannot perform the display method on this queue. We have here else part system.out.println. The status of queue is if there are element present in a queue, then it is showing you the element with the help of for loop, that is I equal to front, I is less than equal to rare, I plus plus. Okay, and with the help of system.out.println we are displaying one by one element from the queue. Okay, and we have done with the class queue. We have another class with the name queueDemo. Inside this class we have declared the main method public static void main, which throws input output exception. This is the main class in our program because it has main method. Okay, inside the main method we creating the object for q, that is q equal to new q. We have here two variables as integer, that is num and choice. Data input stream in equal to new data input stream. It has parameter that is system.in. We have created here the object for data input stream class, which we have imported from this IO package. Then we have your while loop. While is used to for infinite loop because it contains the true flag. While true, it always true only in all conditions. It is used for infinite loop. It is used when you have to do something until a certain condition is met. Okay. Inside while loop we are printing here the operations which we are going to implement on Q, that is insert, delete, display and exist. These are options provided to users. Okay. With the help of these four options, user can perform specific operations on the Q. That is system.out.println. First option is for insert, second option is for delete, third option is for display, and fourth option is for exit from the procedure. System.out.println, enter your choice. Program asks the user to enter their choice. Okay, and whatever choice we will make, that will be get stored into this choice variable. And with the help of integer.parseInt, we are converting the choice value from string type into the integer. Then we have a switch which contains the choices. It is used when we have number of options and we may need to perform a different task for each choices. Okay. Inside switch condition, we have here case 1, that is for system.out.println, enter the element to be inserted. This is for insert operation. And whatever number we will insert, that will be get stored into this num variable. With the help of this integer.parseInt, we are converting from system to string type to integer. And q.q insert, it takes the number to insert into the queue. Then with the help of this break statement, we will break this operation. Then we have your case second, that is for q delete. This is for deleting items from the queue. Then we have your case 3, that is for displaying the elements from the queue. And case 4 is for returning, that means exit from the queue. Outside the switch condition, we will be printing, do we want to continue type 0 or 1. We will providing the choices to user if they want to continue this process or no. To continue the process, they have to press 1, or if they don't want to continue the process, they have to press 0. Okay, and whatever they will make the choices, that will be get stored into the choice variable. And if choice equal to 0 means if they don't want to process further, then they have to press the 0 value from this keyboard, and if choice equals to 0, then they directly come out from this process. And we have done with the class Q demo. To execute this program, open command prompt. So D drive cd your folder name. Okay. Then compilation command, that is javac, and the program name, that is Q demo. Okay, .java. And the run command, that is java and the program name, that is Q demo. Okay, and press enter. It is showing you the list of options, that is insert, delete, display and exit. You have to pass here the option number. Okay, I want to perform the insert operation on Q, so I'll pass the option number, that is 1. Okay, and press enter key. It is asking you to enter the element to be inserted. I'll enter the element, that is 11. Okay, then press enter key. It is asking you, that is, do you want to continue type, means do you want to process further? Yes. So for yes, press the number 1, and for no, the press key, that is 0. Okay, so I want to process further, so I'll pass 1. Again it is showing the list of options. Okay, again I want to enter one more number, so I'll pass the choice number, that is 1. Element to be inserted, that is 12. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. Then enter your choice. Again I want to enter one more element, so I'll enter the option 1. Okay, enter the element to be inserted, that is 13. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your choice, that is 1. Enter the element to be inserted, that is 14. Okay, and do you want to continue the process? Yes. Then again enter your choice, that is 1. Okay, enter the element to be inserted, that is 15. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your choice, that is 1. Okay, so we have entered here the 15, that is 5 elements. Okay, means this is the max size of Q. Again I am trying to enter one more element, that is 16. Okay, then it will show the message, that is Q is full. Okay, because the max size of Q is 5. So after 5 elements, it will give you the error message, that is Q is full. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. Enter your choice. To display the elements, I'll enter the choice number, that is 3. Okay, so it will showing you the elements in the queue, that is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so I want to perform the delete operation on Q. So for delete, the option number is 2. To enter your choice, that is 2, and press enter key. Okay, it is automatically deleted one by one element from the queue. The first element to be deleted, that is deleted element, is 11. Okay, again I want to process further, so I'll pass 1. Enter your choice, that is 2. So again it will deleted the element, that is 12. Again I'll pass 1. Enter your choice 2. So it will deleted the 13 element. Okay, again I pass 1. Enter your choice 2. It is deleted element is 14. 1 integer is 2. Deleted element is 15. Okay. All the elements from the queue is deleted. Okay. So I'll pass 1 to process further. Again I'll enter the choice, that is 2, for delete one more element. So it is showing you the message that is queue is empty because there is no any element present in the queue. Okay. And if you are trying to remove the element which is not present in the queue, so it will give you the error message that is queue is empty. You can't perform the delete operation on the queue. Okay. So do you want to continue? Enter your choice. I'll pass 3. If you are trying to display the elements which are not present in the queue, then it will show you the error message that is queue is empty. Okay. And do you want to continue type? Yes. To exit from this process, the option is 4, that is exit. Okay. So I'll pass 4. Okay. And it will directly come out from this process. So this is the small program. Hope you understood this program. Thank you.